Multiplication theorem on probability. Let E and F be two events associated with a sample space S. Clearly, the set E intersection F denotes the event that both E and F have occurred. The event E intersection F is also written as EF. Very often, we need to find the probability of the event EF. For example, in the experiment of drawing two cards one after the other, we may be interested in finding the probability of the event a king and a queen. The probability of the event EF is obtained by using the conditional probability. The conditional probability of event E given that F has occurred is denoted by P of E given F, and which is equal to probability of E intersection F divided by probability of F, provided P of F is not equal to 0. Similarly, P of F given E is equal to P of F intersection E divided by P of E, provided P of E is not equal to 0. Therefore, combining the equation 1 and 2, we get that probability of E intersection F is equal to probability of E into probability of F given E, or probability of F into probability of E given F, provided probability of E is not equal to 0 and probability of F is not equal to 0. This result is known as the multiplication rule of probability. Multiplication rule of probability for more than two events. If E, F and G are three events of sample space, we have probability of E intersection F intersection G is equal to probability of E into probability of F given E into probability of G given E intersection F, which is equal to probability of E into probability of F given E into probability of G given EF. The multiplication rule of probability can be extended for 4 or more events.